just send all that stuff to that.
So,
17
we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Bradford white 40-gallon natural gas water heater up at the top. We'll give you a new piece of vent pipe up there. Those are existing 90s that were in place, but brand new pipe coming down. And of course, just a little piece of plumber's tape up there because it's hanging in the breeze. So we want to make sure it didn't fall out of the hole for whatever reason. And of course, screws at all the joints. Up top, we cut off the old valve, gave you a copper adapter, so a male adapter up there. And then give you a new brand new ball valve. So that's a Watts 3/4 inch full port quarter turn ball valve. Say that twice real fast. And then a brass nipple down to a Falcon stainless steel connector and a brass extension. So Falcon stainless steel, largest in the industry, very expensive, but that's what we like, that's what we use. Same thing on the hot side, that adapter was already in place, so we just gave you the new connector down to here to the draft diverter. Relief valve comes with the unit, so once a year, the manufacturer recommends that you pop this off to make sure that it's opening and closing correctly. We just pop it up and let it slam shut. I can't do it right now because the water is dumping onto the floor and there's no bucket down there. It's a little pipe here. Again, we don't use galvanized pipe for potable water. This is a drain line though. So galvanized pipe right here over to dielectric union. And this is just because it's required to have a union within 12 inches of this valve. So gave you the union there, and then copper, we reused part of your copper pipe. Came down here and then strapped it. Got a little block in there so you get it out away from the wood. That way it's easier to get a little bucket under here when you're servicing the unit, so you can drain this down. Upper third adjustable straps, lower third adjustable straps, brand new gas shutoff valve, gas connector, and right now it is lit. Right now it's on hot, which is approximately 120 degrees, A130, B140, C150, very hot 160. We recommend you leave it where it's at. As you can see, scalding risk increases with hotter water. Stand looks great, so no problems there. This is your model number and serial number. You can see right there. If you want to go to bradfordwhite.com and hit warranty or register your product, you'll give them your serial number and your full name, street address, all that kind of things, and they'll get your warranty going on this. Outside of that, everything else here is done.